How to remove background noises using Veed. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove background noises using Veed. So let's get started. So for people who don't know what Veed is an AI video editing tool which you can use online. It's fast and at some level free as well. So head over to Veed.io and create an account if you don't have one. You can log in if you already do have an account, and yeah, you can sign in with Google as well. After that, you can now start a project. So you can open up a video. I'll just open up my recent videos. And on the video, what you'll need to do to clear up your audio is select a video like this, select a video, and there you'll find Magic Tools. If you don't see these options, right click on the video. Then tap on Magic Tools, and there you'll see Clean Audio. So as you can see, this is a premium feature, but you can try it once for free. So tap on Clean Audio, and this will take some moment, but after the Clean Audio is done doing its thing, all the background noises will get removed. Now, keep in mind that Reed uses AI for its editing tools. So yeah, this Clean Audio is really reliable as well. And that's how you can remove background noises in Feed. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.